In this video, we're going to show you how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. Enabling dark mode on WhatsApp not only reduces eye strain, but also saves battery life on OLED screens and gives your chats a modern look. The process is the same for both iPhone devices as well as Android, and it's pretty basic and easy. I'm in the WhatsApp homepage right now, and all I have to do is to enable the dark theme on my device. So if you're on your iPhone, open the control center, then long press on the brightness indicator, which will show us a couple more options. Tap on this dark mode option, and that will turn on the dark theme for the whole phone, and the WhatsApp application will also turn dark. But if you're an Android user, then enable dark mode on your device like you normally would. So find the option in the settings, or enable it from the notification center. The WhatsApp application follows the system theme of your device, so if your phone is set to a light theme, the app will have the white theme applied to it, but when we enable dark mode, the app automatically turns dark. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.